Alright, welcome back to the AI Research Roundup. I'm your host, Alex. So, this research paper, Anthropic Economic Index, AI's Impact on Software Development, dives into how AI coding assistants, specifically Claude.ai and Claude Code, are changing the software development landscape. Well, the paper explores how these tools are impacting developer workflows by analyzing 500,000 coding-related interactions. It seems they're particularly focused on understanding the shift towards automation and its implications for different organizations. Okay, so this figure from the paper really illustrates those automation and augmentation differences between Claude.ai and Claude Code. Well, you can see Claude Code has a much higher automation rate, nearly 80% split between directive and feedback loop interactions. Claude.ai, on the other hand, sits at about half that automation rate, with a greater portion dedicated to augmentation activities like learning and validation. So this visually reinforces the idea that Claude Code is pushing towards more automated workflows. Okay, so this figure from the paper breaks down the types of coding tasks performed by Claude.ai and Claude Code. Well, as you can see, UI/UX component development and software architecture and code design have the highest usage overall. Interestingly, Claude.ai seems to be more heavily used for those higher-level design tasks, while Claude Code dominates in web and mobile app development, which aligns with the paper's point about UI/UX being heavily impacted by AI. Okay, so this figure from the research paper shows the top programming languages used with Claude.ai and Claude Code. Well, JavaScript and HTML are the most popular, reinforcing that UI/UX development is a key area of impact. Interestingly, while Claude.ai is used across various languages, Claude Code really dominates in those web-focused languages, further highlighting its specialization in more automated UI/UX development. Okay, so this table from the research paper compares software and non-software related interactions with Claude.ai. Well, the key takeaway here is the significant difference in feedback loop automation. Software interactions see a 21% feedback loop rate, while non-software is only 3%. So this suggests that even in automated coding tasks, human oversight remains crucial, which aligns with the paper's emphasis on the collaborative nature of these AI tools. So this blog post from Anthropic summarizes their research paper on AI's impact on software development. Okay, key takeaways? Well, specialized AI coding agents like Claude Code are pushing towards greater automation, particularly in UI/UX development, using languages like JavaScript and HTML. And, well, startups seem to be embracing these tools much faster than larger enterprises. Okay, thanks for tuning in to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex, signing off.